Good morning, students. Yesterday we have read this poem, and today we are going to do its exercises. Okay, so I am writing with pen that will be visible to you, but you will write with pencil. On the basis of reading of poem, complete the following sentences. Let us find these fill-ups. Books takes the speaker to lands of snow and jungle trees. Write down. Yes. The speaker is the captain of the ship. And here is a person. Sorry, he is a dash person. He is a bold and free person. With this type, you have to find out these exercises. The speaker invites everyone to sail the magic ship. Books can easily cross what? Books can easily cross the crossing hills. Books takes its passenger on a exciting rides. A zoo is a home for birds and bees. The birds and animals are not free to roam. Roam means to move here and there outside the cages. The speaker decides the things to show. One can easily find the book what he wants. Okay, now move to next exercise. Page number 32. These are the true false. Yes, on the basis of the reading you have to put true or false. Yes. The speaker loves reading books. True. He reads all kinds of books. True. उसको पसंद थी ना सभी टाइप की बुक्स. He is by nature dull and boring. क्या वो डल और बोरिंग था? No. He was adventurous. He is bold, independent and adventurous. Yes. He is free to take the decision where he want to go. He does not wish to share his joy with others. No. He has shared its exciting rides. He is creative and imaginative. बहुत क्रिएटिव था वो. Yes. True. He understands the power of books. वो बुक्स की पावर को समझता था. True. He does not recommend reading books to others. वो कहता था दूसरों को बुक्स मत पढ़ो. No. False. Now we are going to do another exercise. Here words are given related to this. Places to see with books. हम books के साथ कौन कौन सी places देख सकते हैं? That according to the speaker the words are also mentioned. हम क्या क्या देख सकते हैं, कौन कौन सी जगह जा सकते हैं? Desert, yes. Parks, good. Schools and oceans. Palaces means महल. ओके, हम इन जगह पे जा सकते हैं with books. First one is desert, another is park, third is schools, fourth is palaces, yes, fifth is oceans. Okay, one is left. कहाँ जा सकते हैं हम? Yes, space is left. Now write down space. Again same, we have to fill this words that describe books. कौन से वर्ड्स है जो बुक्स को डिस्क्राइब करते हैं? एज लाइक एंटरटेनिंग, एक्साइटिंग. कैसी बुक्स होती हैं? फनी, ओके, कॉमिक. सो फाइंड आउट. यस, दिस वन इज विच टाइप ऑफ बुक? फनी बुक. अनदर इज बुक इज यस entertaining. Next is gripping. What do you mean by gripping? That holds you with its excitement. Gripping. This is new word for you. Gripping. Hold करके रखना. जैसे हम कोई बुक पढ़ते हैं, हमें बहुत एक्साइटिंग लगती है तो हम उसे छोड़ते नहीं हैं, पढ़ते ही रहते हैं. Another is interesting. Yes. Next is exciting. Okay. Next is tragic. Tragic बुक भी होती हैं. Okay. Another. Move to another exercise. This will you do yourself. Common characters in the book. कॉमन करेक्टर्स कौन कौन से होते हैं जो इसमें दे रखे हैं? फाइंड आउट दीज करेक्टर्स ऑफ द बुक्स. फेरीज, फेरी टेल की बुक्स होती है ना, एलियंस. ओके, फाइंड आउट दिस एक्सरसाइज फ्रॉम दिस चार्ट. ओके, नाउ yesterday we in online class we have done an exercise, an activity we have done. क्या किया था हमने? We have closed our eyes and imagine that we are sitting on a book and going somewhere where you want to go. Okay, so on the basis of that activity we will fill in the blanks. These are the words given for the help. Books are the. अब हम बुक के ऊपर राइट कर रहे थे तो बुक हमारे लिए क्या थी? यस, एनी गेसेस? प्लेन्स. क्या थी बुक हमारे लिए? planes, जिस पे हम उड़ रहे थे. That fly, कैसे उड़ रहे थे? नीचे ज़मीन पे? नो ना. That fly high above the, yes, किसके ऊपर उड़ रहे थे? स्काई, स्काई तो है. above the clouds, बादलों में उड़ रहे थे, स्काई में. आई एम द, आप क्या कर रहे थे? बुक को चला रहे थे ना. आई एम द पायलट. स्मार्ट एंड क्लेवर, तेज. टेकिंग यू टू न्यू प्लेस, places. Come, let us fly in a wonderful plane. Wonderful plane. Okay.